The software includes tools to import multiband imagery and imagery that contains numeric data such as NDVI or elevation values. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import multicolor band image and assign any numeric data to the appropriate attribute in SMS. To begin, click on the Read Files icon. Choose to import a file from a generic source and click to Start Importing. Select images on the left and leave Search for all file formats selected on the right. Click on Select Files to import. Navigate to the location where the image is saved and click Open after selecting. Choose the proper image clipping options and then click Next. If the image you are importing is a standard RGB image, leave the Import Image as Is option selected and then click Next. If the image contains multiple bands, choose Create New Dataset from the image color bands. Use the Select Band Settings dropdown and choose New 3-Band Image Dataset and select the appropriate red, green, blue bands using the drop-down menus. A preview of the data contained in the bands is available in the Band Sample Values. After selecting the proper bands, click the Add button. A preview of the dataset will be displayed in the lower right-hand corner. You can create multiple datasets at once by modifying the band settings and continuing to click Add. If the image you are importing contains data such as NDVI values or elevation data, select New Dataset from Band Value. Use the Select Band Value menu to select which band contains the data. Click Select Linking Attribute to assign an attribute to the data being imported. Click Add. If you are planning on using the NDVI analysis tool in SMS Advanced to generate image indices, use the New Image Analysis Dataset option. After processing, the software will import in the image and then process it to create an analysis result layer that contains additional attributes, including NDVI, NIR vigor, OSAVI, and VARI indices. For more information on the NDVI analysis tool and the resulting indices, check out the video in the car above. To save the import settings for future images, click Save Template and assign a name. Click Finish after assigning all values. Then assign the proper management items and click Accept, which will begin the import process. Once the image is imported, you will find an image operation in the management tree. If you chose the New Image Analysis Dataset option, you will also find the image as well as an analysis result operation. Once saved to the management tree, the image can be used as a reference in print layouts, map background images, or for historical reference. Now you will be able to import an image file with multiple bands and process data. If you would like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.